1,500 to 5,000 patients, and we almost treat 6 to 7 lakh of patients every year. And this year it is very happy situation to announce that we have started two more new departments, the Department of Transfusion Medicine and the Department of Geriatric Medicines, with the MD courses in these departments. I would also like to express that we are very soon going to start an OPD for cancer patients exclusively in super specialty block with the help of Tata Hospital, and the Tatas will be with us every week, and the patients can take maximum benefit from this arrangement made by the Honorable Health Minister.
We have a state-of-art clinical laboratory which caters to the patients 24/7. We conduct about 11,000 investigations per day, which comprise of biochemical, immunochemical, and specialized tests also. Our main aim is to have or to give the patient the most specific, sensitive, accurate, precise results to the patients.
म्हाका सगळे डॉक्टरांचे खूब उपकारी आसा. ताणें म्हाका बरे भशेन ट्रिटमेंट दिलो. आमचे नर्सी थंय सारक्यो कॉपरेटीव, तांचोय बरे भशेन ताणें म्हाका ट्रिटमेंट दिलो. म्हणून हांव डॉक्टर उगम सर, पुष्कर सर आनी सगळे ज्युनियर्स डॉक्टरांचे हांव उपकारी आसा. तांकां देव बरें करूं अशें म्हणटा.
So on this day, we commit ourselves to treating all patients who come to Goa the best possible manner. But I also request all of you to take all steps to prevent coming to neurosurgery department by adopting safe driving practices, using helmet, avoiding alcohol, and controlling lifestyle diseases like diabetes and hypertension, which in a large way prevent other conditions also.
हांव गेले 3 वर्सां जाली हांगा GMCन काम करता. जे डॉक्टरांचे जे हे आसा की इतले बरें काम करता, म्हाका फर्स्ट टायम लायफान अशें पळोवंक गावलें. म्हाका खूब अभिमान दिसता की ह्या डॉक्टरां वांगडा काम करपाक, की ते OPD आसतना सुद्दां चालू इतले गर्दी आसतना सुद्दां ते अशें म्हणना की आयज जाम जालें अशें केन्ना हेंचो इतली स्मायल आसता आनी इतले GMCन डॉक्टर बरें काम करता. जे देव म्हणटा ते आमी देवाक पयलो मान दिता, तशें डॉक्टरांक आमी पयलो मान दिवपाक जाय.
आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक हॅट्स ऑफ म्हणटा ह्या दिसाच्या निमित्तान. कित्याक आयज संविधा तुमी वचून पळयत जाल्यार हार्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स, किडनीचे युनिट, मागीर साबार युनिट, आयज कॅज्युअलिटी आमची काय बरी चलता. साबार खुबच्यो. आनी आमचो हेड ऑफ दीस गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज डॉक्टर बांदेकर, who has done really wonders for our Goa Medical College. I pray to Almighty God that Dr. Bandekar and his entire team, नांवां घेयना सगळ्याची, तशेंच प्रायवेट डॉक्टर्स आमची आयज गोंयांत जे काम करता, ह्या निमित्तान तसोच दोतोर प्रमोद सावंताक हांव मागता तुमकां बरी सावूत दिवची आनी लोकांचे सेवेक तुमी उमेर बरी पावचे म्हणून. देव बरें करूं.
That the country has excelled in terms of healthcare under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and most importantly the type of innovations and initiatives taken by the Honorable Prime Minister has created different comfort level for our doctors, not only in the private sectors but people working even in the government sector. Today I would like to make a mention. The reason I'm making a mention of the Honorable Prime Minister is because of the openings and the different way forward, creating institutions, world-class institutions through AIMS, and also creating opportunities for doctors. Today, I as an ordinary citizen and also as a Minister of Health would like to thank each and every doctor, all the doctors, especially in Goa, in the Goa Medical College, in the health services, and even doctors from the private sector who are doing a phenomenal job in trying to save the lives of the people in the state of Goa. Nationally also, I would like to pay a tribute to all the doctors for the services they provide to the people in saving their lives, right from preventive medicines to emergencies to saving lives of people and saving a home. We are grateful to you, and this message goes out to all the doctors, and that we are really very grateful for the type of service that you provide. Sometimes, you must be feeling that it's a thankless job. No, it's not a thankless job. Each one of us remembers the type of work that you do and what all it takes to save a patient's life. Thank you so much, and would like to wish you good health and many more years of service to the people in saving their lives. Thank you.
On behalf of all nurses of Coronary Care Unit, we wish Happy Doctors Day to all doctors.
Happy Doctors Day.
Overall, we are delivering the best services to people of Goa, and this is possible only with team of my doctors. And on this day of Doctors Day, 1st July, I would like to thank all the staff of Goa Medical College, doctors, nurses, multitasking.
Today and every day, let us celebrate the men and women in white coats who dedicate their lives to the well-being of others. Happy Doctors Day.